At Single Malt TV, we are huge fans of K&L Wine Merchants of California. And now we're even bigger fans because we found out that they're doing this amazing raffle to help with the relief in California. Now, I know that many of you have probably heard there have been some pretty devastating fires in the California region as of late. And we think it's amazing that K&L Wine is taking this opportunity to actually help some people out there. So what they're doing is they're holding this raffle where they're putting up 6 bottles of amazing wines, sparkling wine, and whiskeys that you can win. And all of the proceeds, 100% of them, go toward aiding these people in California who may have lost their homes or suffered any other kinds of innumerable damages. So, things you can win. This is the exciting part. They have a 1961 Barolo. That's a beautiful wine. Normally goes for about $2,700. They have a Pappy Van Winkle 23-year-old whiskey, which is normally around $2,500 to $3,000. Or if you're super lucky, you have a chance to win a Kuruizawa 34-year-old whiskey, Japanese whiskey, that normally goes for 10 grand. So don't miss this chance to not only maybe get some amazing whiskeys and wines, but also do your part to help the people who may have been suffering in California. We hope you'll take part in it. Make sure you click the link here to buy your raffle tickets, $10 each. Again, 100% of the proceeds go towards the relief. And otherwise, stay tuned for more Single Malt TV. We'll see you around.